Hi, first grade friends. Today during Daily 5, we are focusing on short U. Short U says as in up, or umbrella. For this activity, spin it and spell it, you will need a pencil and a paper clip. The first thing we're going to do is write our name at the top of the paper. Way to go. You are going to take your paper clip and spin it on our wheel. If your paper clip lands on the number 3, you will write the word that is on the same line as the number 3. So for example, if I land on a 3, I would write the word bud. Let's finger stretch the word bud. B-u-d. Bud. And I know that bud is a closed syllable because it has a short vowel followed by one or more consonants. We're going to write the word bud in our first box. B-u-d. Bud. Way to go, boys and girls. So now we are going to spin our paperclip again. And this time, let's pretend that you landed on a number 7. So I'm going to look over here at my table. I see the number 7. And I'm going to write the word that corresponds with number 7. The word is lug. Let's finger stretch the word lug. Fingers ready? L-u-g. Lug. And again, I know that lug is a closed syllable because it has a short vowel sound followed by one or more consonants. Then I will write the word lug on the next box. L-u-g. Lug. You'll take your paper clip again, spin it on our number wheel, and let's pretend that we landed on the number 8 this time. So I'm going to come over here to my table, look at number 8, and write the corresponding word. The corresponding word is fun. Let's finger stretch the word fun. F-u-n. Fun. Please write the word fun. F-u-n. Fun. Boys and girls, I'm going to have you finish the rest of the activity by yourself with your paper clip. You will spin on the number wheel, and then you will finger stretch the word that matches that number, and then write the word in a box. As soon as all of your boxes are full, you are finished. If there is a backside on this worksheet, it is optional. You do not have to do it, but you can do it if you choose to. When you are finished with Spin It and Spell It, please put it into your mailbox and move on to Lexia so that you can get your 12 units for Free Time Friday. Thank you for working hard. Way to go.